If the system is under pressure, we must ask a deeper question. What is education now? This is not a decorative philosophical question. It is a financial, academic, civic, and leadership question. For decades, many universities could operate on an implicit promise. Come to university, receive expert teaching, gain a degree, improve your career prospects, and join a community of knowledge. That promise still matters, but it is no longer enough. Students now live in a world where AI can generate text, code, images, summaries, and sometimes rather confident nonsense in seconds. Employers need graduates who can think, judge, communicate, adapt, use evidence, work with technology, understand ethics, and solve problems that do not arrive with a neat marking scheme. So I would define the future purpose of higher education in this way. A university should develop disciplined human capability, not just content memory, not just assessment performance, not just a certificate. Disciplined capability means the ability to frame problems, test evidence, use knowledge responsibly, work across uncertainty, collaborate with others, understand tools, challenge assumptions, and produce value for society. That definition changes curriculum design. It means a module should not only ask, what content do we cover? It should ask, what human capability does this module develop that still matters when AI is available? What judgment does the student learn? What evidence do they handle? What design choices do they make? What ethical boundary do they understand? What real problem can they address? This is why I believe universities should move from a narrow idea of research-informed teaching to a stronger model of evidence-informed, industry-informed, AI-informed, and society-informed education. Research-informed teaching remains important, but on its own, it can become too inward-looking if it does not connect with labor market change, industrial R&D, public sector demand, sustainability, digital transformation, and civic need. The Quality Assurance Agency's UK Quality Code sets out principles for securing academic standards and assuring and enhancing quality. It emphasizes that providers are responsible for academic standards and the quality of the student experience, including program design, delivery, assessment, resources, data, monitoring, and enhancement. The future curriculum redesign must sit within that quality framework. Innovation without standards is chaos. Standards without innovation become museum work. Here's my first recommendation. Every university program should be tested against 5 questions. First, what capability does it develop? Second, what evidence proves that capability is being developed? Third, how does the curriculum engage with AI and digital tools? Fourth, what connection does it have to industry, public service, research, or civic need? Fifth, what is its financial and academic sustainability over the next 5 years? Those questions should not be treated as a bureaucratic punishment. They should become a design method. A serious curriculum review is not a form to be completed. It is an intellectual act of leadership.